Hi, how are you today? I will be your interviewer and I will read the questions from number 1 to number 15 randomly. So try to get the answers as quick as possible because I only have like 3 seconds between each questions. Okay, thank you for your listening. Alright, now we start. The idea of self government is in the first three words of the Constitution. What are these words? The idea of self government is in the first three words of the Constitution. What are these words? Number two, what is the freedom of religion? What is the freedom of religion? Number three, the House of Representatives has how many voting members? The House of Representatives has how many voting members? Number four, what stops one branch of the government from becoming too powerful? What stops one branch of the government from becoming too powerful? Number five, what is the supreme law of the land? What is the supreme law of the land? Number six, if the president can no longer serve, who becomes the president? If the president can no longer serve, who becomes the president? Number seven, who is in charge of executive branch? Who is in charge of executive branch? Number eight, what does the judicial branch do? What does the judicial branch do? Number nine, what is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? Number 10. What is one right of freedom from the First Amendment? What is one right of freedom from the First Amendment? Number 11. We elect a U.S. Senator for how many years? We elect a U.S. Senator for how many years? Number 12. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of federal government? Number 13. Name one right only for the U.S. citizens. Name one right only for the U.S. citizen. Number 14. What did the Declaration of Independence do? What did the Declaration of Independence do? Number 15. We elect a president for how many years? We elect a president for how many years? Number 16. What is the capital of your state? What is the capital of your state? Number 17. What is one responsibility that's only for the U.S. citizens? What is one responsibility that's only for the U.S. citizens? Number 18. What does the Constitution do? What does the Constitution do? Number 19. Who is the Commander-in-Chief of military? Who is the Commander-in-Chief of military? Number 20. What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress? What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress? Number 21. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? How many justices are on the Supreme Court? Number 22. What is an amendment? What is an amendment? Number 23. What is the rule of law? What is the rule of law? 24. Who does the U.S. Senator represent? Who does the U.S. Senator represent? Number 25. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states? Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states? Number 26. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. Number 27. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? Number 27. How many U.S. senators are there? How many U.S. senators are there? 28. In what months do we vote for the president? In what months do we vote for the president? Number 28. Who is the governor of your state? Who is the governor of your state? Number 29. What are the 2 cabinet level positions? What are the 2 cabinet level positions? 30. How many amendments does the Constitution have? How many amendments does the Constitution have? Number 31. What is the economic system of the United States? What is the economic system of the United States? Number 32. Name one branch or part of the government. Name one branch or part of the government. 33. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? 34. What is the name of the President of the United States now? What is the name of the President of the United States now? 35. What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence? What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence? 36. Who makes the federal laws? Who makes the federal laws? 37. What is the highest court in the United States? What is the highest court in the United States? 39. What are the 2 major political parties in the United States? What are the 2 major political parties in the United States? Number 40. Who is the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? Number 4. What is the political party of the president now? What is the political party of the president now? Number 43. What is one of your states the U.S. senators now? Who is one of your states the U.S. senators now? Number 45. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Why do some states have more representatives than other states? 46. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes the president? If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes a president? 6. Name your U.S. representatives. Name your U.S. representative. 47. Who vetoes the bills? Who vetoes the bills? 48. What does the president's cabinet do? What does the president's cabinet do? And the last one. Who signed the bills to become law? Who signs the bills to become laws? Okay, we're done with the 50 questions, and hope you guys can get through all of them, well, and have a good weekend. And thank you for watching. Bye.